Hi, my name is Hazim. In this video, I'm going to talk about the past simple from three important points: the uses, the formation, and the pronunciation of the ed. Let's begin with the uses. We can use the past simple to talk about something that started and finished in a specific time in the past. As an example, he watched the movie last night. I visited my uncle last week. We ate pizza this afternoon. And we also can use the past simple after winning a question. As an example, when did he watch the movie? When did you visit your uncle? When did they eat pizza? Now someone will ask me a very important question, which is why in the question the verb is not the same as in the sentence? And that's what we will talk about in the formation. In the formation, I will talk about the affirmative, the negation, the yes or no question, and the WH question. Let's begin with the affirmative. The affirmative consists of the subject plus the verb in the past form, and if the sentence needs an object or a complement, you can add them too. For an example, he walked to school yesterday. We played football at the club last week. And if you want to negate a sentence, you need the subject plus did not plus the verb in the basic form and complete the sentence. For an example, he did not walk to school yesterday. We did not play football at the club last week. Now let's move to the yes or no question. The yes or no question consists of did plus the subject plus the verb in the basic form. And if the question needs an object or a complement, you can add them too. As an example, did he walk to school yesterday? Did they play football at the club last week? And now the WH question. The WH question consists of a question word plus the formation of the yes or no question. For an example, where did he walk to yesterday? What did they play in the club last week? And now let's move to the last part of this video, which is the pronunciation of the ed. First of all, you should know what is the difference between the voiced and the unvoiced sound. Put your hand on your throat and say any sound. If you feel with vibration in your throat, this means that this sound is a voiced sound. And if you don't feel with anything in your throat, this means that this sound is an unvoiced sound or a voiceless sound. Now let's back to our topic. And if there is any word ends with an unvoiced sound, for an example, the sound s, the ed pronounced for an example, the word look, it will be looked. The word mess, it will be messed. Laugh, it will be laughed. But if there is any word ends with a voiced sound, for an example, the sound and any vowel sound, the ed pronounced d, d. For an example, smell, it will be smelled. Save, it will be saved. Play, it will be played. And in the end of the video, I hope you understand from me well, and see you in the next video. Bye.